Hello students, hello viewers, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to look at a new word and the word for today is, let me first spell it out for you. It is Characterization. Let me repeat, Characterization, and it divides itself into, now guess how many syllables it divides itself into. Well, it divides itself into 6 syllables. Syllable 1 is care, syllable 2 is ak, syllable 3 is ter, syllable 4 is I, syllable 5 is zay, syllable 6 is shun. Let me repeat. Syllable 1 is care, syllable 2 is ak, syllable 3 is ter, syllable 4 is I, syllable 5 is zay, syllable 6 is shun. Okay? Okay, so let us look at the pronunciation of this word. This word is pronounced like this, in this manner, okay? Characterization, 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 characterization. Now guess which syllables get the stress. Okay, there are two stresses. There is a primary stress and a secondary stress, and you would also know that the primary stress will always fall after the secondary stress. Okay, when you look at a word from left to right, obviously we look at all words from left to right because English is written from left to right, from the left hand side of the page to the right hand side of the page. Okay, it's not like Arabic or Hebrew where it's written from right to left. So the point is this, tell me which syllables are yeah, okay, so let's look at that. Yeah, let me share screen with you and let me break the suspense. So there we have it. Characterization divides itself into 6 syllables. The first syllable takes the secondary accent, secondary stress, and the fifth syllable takes the primary stress. And look at it. So there can be a maximum of, if you look at it, let me repeat it. If you repeat the pronunciation and you understand it much better. Characterization, characterization. So there can be 3 weak syllables or unstressed syllables in between 2 stressed syllables. So we have care here and zay here. So there are 3 unstressed syllables. So yeah, so there we have it. That's the pronunciation of characterization. And again we have looked at a 6 syllable word. Just one thing before we before we proceed further. Don't forget, and just I want to remind this remind you of this. The last syllable will not take the accent after you cross 3 syllables. So up to 3 syllables, when a word divides itself into 3 syllables, 3 syllable words will take the accent in the last syllable. Otherwise, after that, once that word divides itself, that is 4 syllable words, 5 syllable words, 6 syllable words, 4, 5, 6 and above, 4 and above will never take the stress on the last syllable. The last syllable is always weak. The last syllable is always unstressed. But it applies to only words which are above 3 syllables. Okay, so 4, 5, 6. 3 syllable words will take the stress, but we will look at that in the last syllable. We look at, there is a particular category of words which take the stress on the last syllable. We'll look at that later. Okay. So with this we complete the 44th word. Yeah, so with this we complete the 44th word. Plus, if I get my count wrong, please check, please correct me. Thanks a lot, people. So once more, let me share the screen. Characterization, characterization, and there we have it. So yeah. All right, so just one more thing before we leave. Although the last syllable is weak, but still it has a CVC structure. Shun, ish, shwa and in. But even then, it will not attract the stress. So there we are. Characterization. The first syllable takes the secondary stress. The fifth syllable takes the primary stress. Characterization. This is how it's pronounced. Characterization. Characterization. The trick is give the maximum energy to say. Give a little bit energy to care. Okay. But you start with care and then end up with say. So give less energy here and give maximum energy in say. Okay. Characterization. Characterization. We also saw that there can be up to 3 syllables, weak syllables, or 3 unstressed syllables in between 2 stressed syllables. So there we are, the 44th word, and please look forward to the next video. Please keep your questions coming in. Please keep encouraging me to make more videos, and best of luck. Keep practicing.